Guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I'll be showing you how you can connect this V8 live sound card on your desktop to record music, or on your laptop. It works both ways. The same way I will show you, like now I'm using a desktop, is the same way you will use with your laptop. And also I will show you how you can connect with your phone. This is a phone I'm using to record. So the same way I will connect with my phone is the same way you will connect with you, as if you are using a phone to record, and the same way you can connect with the camera if you have a camera you are using to record. So let's start doing that. So for the first thing, you need a microphone. This one I'm using this BM800 mic. So this is what I will be using. So for this one, this is a condenser mic. So go ahead and it has a condenser mic port here. We have a condenser mic, so go and plug it there. Then we need first we'll use this desktop as a company, that is as a background music. So for the next one, remember this card comes with 3 cables. We have two 3mm to micro USB. We have two, and then we have another one, USB to micro USB. So we need these two, this lookalike 3mm to micro USB. We'll use this one. So the first one will connect the ear for the port which says a company. As you can see, this one we have a port here, says a company. So plug your first cable there. Then on this side, just go ahead and plug where on your desktop where we have an earphone, jack port or a port. So go ahead and plug this one there. We have the remaining one, the same as the one we have plugged. This one, plug it on your this one. We have 2 ports here. We have live 1 and live 2. You can plug on either side. So plug it. I will plug mine on live 1 there. Then the end of this one, plug it on your, if you are using camera to record, or if it's a phone, you can plug this side. If you are an iPhone user, or you have a phone which doesn't have a 3mm jack, you can buy some we have some adapter for this, or you can use Bluetooth. This is a live sound card uses Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone using Bluetooth. So this one, you plug it on your phone. If you are recording with phone, or if you are recording with camera, you can plug this one that side. Then if you are going live, you will be needing to listen to the party on the other side. Remember that. So for that you need a earphone or headset. So I'll be using my earphone. So we have a port here for earphone. If you have a headset, we have a headset. If you have earphone, you can plug them here, or you can plug external speakers. This one will work with external speakers. So I will plug my earphone like that. Now guys, you can hear me speaking using this V8 sound card. I know that you can hear me speaking very clearly. Now for the sake of this one, for what we will be using, like now with this desktop, we're using it as a company music, that is background music. So what you need to do, you can now, if I play music here, it will play like background music. So let us go ahead and play. As you can see, I'm using my keyboard, sorry, my mouse. So let me play a song here. Now let us adjust the music. As you can hear, the music is playing and you can hear me clearly. And still you can adjust. It's not you can still adjust it on your desktop, that is on your laptop or the computer you are using. You can come ahead here and you can increase the music. As you hear, you can increase your music from there. That will work as a background. Then this one, you can control the music from here, from your sound card. You can adjust, increase. You can reduce and you can increase. And also we have this button here. This button is for make sure it is always at the maximum. This will be for record everything what you are recording. This will be either if you turn it on the minimum, it will not record anything. And as you can, as I am sure you did not hear me, but I was recording. So if you turn this one on the minimum, we will not record anything. Now this was the part one. As you can see, our music is still playing. And if I increase the volume, you can hear it's still playing. So you can use that method if you want to record your music, or you want to use your desktop as background music. Then on another side is where people most asking me, how will you record the music with your desktop on this VL sound card? For that, I will introduce you to another app which is called Audacity. Many of you may have heard of it. This is the app which you can use to record music, but for now you cannot use this method to record your music or anything what you are doing here. You cannot record with this one. What you do, remember we have the remaining one, which is a USB to micro USB. So this one, on USB side, plug it on your laptop or your PC on any port on your PC or laptop. And on the other side, which is a micro USB, plug it on your card, V8 card, on the charging port, which is this one. We have a charging port there, so plug it there. Then on the other hand, plug it on your PC or laptop. Any port will do. Now go here where it said audio setup here, and then go to, we have a recording device here, recording device, select that one. Then if you have multiple or you have plugged your earphone in, you will find several lists here. But if you want to use this one, it is called MIX1. That's the name which will appear there. So that is this V8 sound card. So select that one. Now after selecting, so we have this red button here. This is for recording. So go ahead and press it. As you can see, guys, we are recording, and the mic here, it is telling you the volume of the mic, and we are recording here. And remember, we have our background music here. You can go ahead and press it like this. As you can hear, we are recording background. Let me reduce the volume. As you can see, our background music is recording. If we press any sound here, our sound is yes, everything. Now we have now let me pause this one. So that is how you can record with this app. Now if you want to, you can export your file which you have recorded. This is everything which we have recorded here, so you can export. You can yes, you can come here and file, then you can say export audio. Then here it will ask you where you want to export your audio, so go ahead and say export to computer. Then it will ask you the folder where you want to export your computer, your file, and if you want to rename the file. So let me rename it and say something like 66. Then I export. So after exporting, go ahead where on the folder where you have exported. Mine was here, so this is the file, and go ahead and open it with I will open with VLC. As you can see, guys, we are recording, and the mic here is telling you the volume of the mic recording, and we are recording here. Remember, we have our background music here. You can go ahead and press it like this. As you can hear, we are recording background. As you can hear, guys, we have recorded our file, and the file is good and is playing very nice. Everything, whatever we have recorded, the background music, every word we have said, everything is there. So guys, that is how you can record it, and that is the end of our video. If you like the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It takes only one click and it's free, guys. So it's good to promote me, and I will appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on my next one.